mechanical failure. The piston rods.
Almost.
1. 4 is the doozy.
Borderline catastrophic.
I think that's catastrophic personally. There's no bearing left on that. So
Which one would you say is the worst one? Definitely 4.
4, yeah, 4 is the worst.
No bearing.
And if you can come over to here on the crank itself, where number 4 was at, that's just not. There's even some. It was just grinding. That's bearing material right there. So all the metal we found in the bottom of that oil sump is just most likely coming from fluid.